Hi there, welcome to Ketoalicious. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about myself and how I came about Ketoalicious and what drove me to decide to start making cooking videos for keto. You know, I have struggled with my weight for many years, and just talking about this kind of just brings tears to my eyes because it's a touchy subject, and I know a lot of people are affected by weight for health reasons or for overeating. Of course, there's many things that cause it, but for me, I was diagnosed with hyperthyroidism, and so I've been on medication for over 20 years. And since the minute that I started the medication was the time that it really started to sink in that my weight was not the way that it used to be when I was younger. And through the years, you try different things, and then you see a little bit of results, and you exercise a little bit, and you get a little bit of results, and then something happens, a party, something, an event, a birthday party, and you feel like you've been so good that you just want to turn around and just take a bite of something that you love. And so that is something I've been struggling with through the years, and now fast forward, I'm 53 years old, and I've decided, I have to make a change in my life. And so I did a little bit of research on the keto diet, and I eat that way anyway, but I was also adding the sugar and the flour to it. So, I decided, well, I could try the almond flour and I could try the coconut flour, and I have been cooking since I was 7 years old. So I feel very comfortable in the kitchen. Excuse me. And I just decided that, I'm making these meals. In the beginning, when I first started making these meals, I would make a good meal and I would put it on YouTube and I would love it and eat it. But then, like everybody else, you get busy and you decide that, okay, so that tasted really good, but then you don't have time to make it again. So I kept that in mind when I was starting Ketoalicious, and I wanted to make sure that these recipes were easy, that anybody could make, and also try to keep the recipes or the ingredients to where they're super easy and that they're not anything that you can't find. So I also try to let you know where I make, where I get the supplies for all of my recipes. And so I started Ketoalicious about 4 months ago, and with the idea that I was going to go gung-ho with this keto diet. And every recipe that I have made, I have loved. But then the holidays came, and of course you're making all the favorites for everybody else in the family because nobody understands, or they don't want to do what you're doing, and everybody knows the drill. It's hard. It is hard to lose weight. And so I have decided after this this time of doing these that it needs to be 100%. So my goal is, with Ketoalicious, I'm going to make recipes that I eat on a daily basis. All of these recipes are recipes that I have converted, things that I've used, my recipes, recipe books that I love. I've converted these to be keto friendly. So now I'm kind of doing this live so that I give my commitment that I need to do this. I'm going to record every day This is January 8th. I'm going to record all my status for my keto, and we'll see how brave I get, but you may even see me starting to exercise. These are the things that I need to be accountable for. These are the things that I've been hiding in a closet thinking that I'm not as big as I think I am. And I'm telling you what, reality set in the other day when I got out of the shower, and it almost makes me cry. So, I'm doing something about it. I am going to. Sorry. So I am going to do something about it. And I want all of the people that are going to start keto or have been doing keto, follow me. Subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so that you know when I make another video. And when I make another recipe. And when I lose another pound or I start something different, I'm going to be accountable here on YouTube, and I'm going to let you guys be accountable for me. So with that said, here's my first video for day 1 to get started full-time keto and not just one meal at a time. I'm going to do it. I also am going to intermediate fast, which means that I am going to either start eating at 11 or 12 o'clock, and then I'm going to eat till 7 or 8. I haven't decided which one, but I'm going to keep my plan for 8 hours, and I have considered all my macros. And if you guys need some information about that, there's all kinds of macro calculators out there. There is, I believe there's a great book, I think it's called Keto Clarity. That gives you a lot of great information as well. So be watching for me. Thanks you guys for supporting me through all of this. And I hope that I support you in return. And with that said, I'll see you again soon. Bye.